Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK. At the present, I and my husband are on the motorway M1 to Heathrow Airport to fly to Vietnam. We have not been back to Vietnam since the COVID pandemic started. Please subscribe and press the bell below in order not to miss any videos about our trip.
After 800 yards, keep right.
Easy traffic is here, so speed is 40 miles per hour. It's being installed an overhead information board.
Keep right.
You see, it now says 60 miles per hour and the blocked lane on the electronic board. Certainly, there has been many changes in Vietnam during the past 4 years, and we are excited to know what they are, so we can share as many of those as possible with you. The traffic law is considered as the top priority in the UK. When the driver attends the traffic, he or she must focus on his driving as to the instructions of the traffic system on the road to speed up or slow down due to an incident in the front, and must follow the blue notice board that direct the lane to get to the destinations. From here, we could take the right-hand lane as the left lane go to populated areas or services.
After 800 yards, keep right.
We are now approaching Heathrow Airport as instructed on the blue traffic board.
Keep right.
The motorway at the junction every 10 or 20 miles apart. These junctions have one entry and one exit for each direction. I would like my country to adopt the same idea for major road. My husband will take the second lane from the left to get to Terminal 4 car park.
After 800 yards, take the exit, then keep right. Take the exit, then keep right. After 300 yards, keep right. Keep right. After 700 yards, go left on the roundabout, first exit.
This is satellite navigation, which will help us to find the long stay car park. It takes us about 3 hours to drive from home to Heathrow Airport to fly with Vietnam Airlines.
Second exit.
This is the first time we have flown with them. At the times in the past, we have flown with Emirates, and it took us about 30 minutes to go from home to Birmingham Airport. Vietnam Airlines is developing day by day, and we want to experience this.
Cross the roundabout. exit.
It costs half price for business class with Vietnam Airlines compared with that of
Cross the
Emirates.
roundabout. Second
We can
exit.
take more luggage too, being 8 suitcases and 2 handbags. 2 jack pieces, 32 kilos each, and 2 carry-on pieces, and a handbag in total 18 kilos, allowed free per person. Free baggage included in the price is allowed much more than Emirates. Finally, we got the car park. Drive through this gate and looking for a space for our car. The shuttle bus will come every 50 minutes. We will take the bus to Terminal 4. After checking baggage, we are now in the waiting cloud. This cloud has the good view. I think this belongs to Etihad Airways. That Vietnam Airlines has the partnership contract with. Next to our table here is the bar. And follow me to go there to see what food and drinks they serve. Here is the main meal style, Mediterranean food. Salad, cakes, cheese. This side is hot and cold drinks. We are now sitting in the variety area at the boarding gate. Look through the glass window. That is the plane Boeing 787 of Vietnam Airlines. It is being prepared at the moment. We will be boarding in half an hour. Please watch to the end to experience with me the business class of Vietnam Airlines. We are now on the plane. Here's my seat, a reclining seat with a thin mastic covering, a blanket, a pillow, a headphone and plug socket for headphone, a TV remote, a reading light, seat adjustment control, My husband's seat is next to me. He is watching TV. A personal care bag over there. My husband can watch my TV when it is stored in the wall. Now, I can watch TV privately. One electrical charging port down here, a water bottle, magazines, slippers. Let's see what items are in the bag. Earplugs, an eye mask, a pair of socks, a toothbrush kit, a comb, body lotion, lip moisturizer, and underneath here is the folding table. I will check the headphone. This looks good quality. Next, I'm checking the TV remote and screen touch. All is in good condition. Honestly, I prefer this headphone compared to the ones supplied by Emirates. This one is reducing noise of plane. The sound is clear. I feel relaxed with a warm towel and now enjoy snacks. My starter with cream soup, meat, bread, and vegetables. And here is my main dish. Next, my choice for dessert is the piece of mango and a piece of cheese. After this big meal, I'm sure I will not need meal before landing. I'm sorry I would not be able to review the pre-landing meal. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my future videos.